So, I know in my intro video I said that I was gonna make a video of my cutter and I was gonna slow it down. I filmed it in 720p at 240 frames a second and I was gonna show it in slow motion. Well, I went to go make that video and I looked at the footage I filmed. I didn't have any light on the cutter at all and you couldn't hardly see it. It was grainy, it was terrible. I was filming it with the Gopros in low light situations. And if you've ever tried to do that with a GoPro, it is a terrible idea. They suck in low light situations. I don't know how to explain it. It's just terrible. Don't do it. So anyways, tonight I went back, I refilmed that on another set of heads I just finished up. And now I'm gonna go home and actually make that video. So here it is. 3, 2, 1, put your glasses on, start the machine.
This is not a drill.